Hi, Nick with Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you the process for how we tape up screens. So here we have our screen, and I like to set my screen on my trash can because that allows me to be able to spin it around where I need it. We're going to be taping up for a left chest today, which means I don't need to tape this bottom here because we're only going to be flooding and printing probably to this point, so we don't need to go back that far. However, I will apply my tape at the end, at the bottom of the screen here. So how I'm going to do that, I'm going to start my tape gun at the bottom. Pull it to where it's going to end, top of the frame. Just tear it off, set the tape gun down. What I like to do is give it a little bit of tension in here, just a little bit, and then I like to have. The goal here is I want to have this blue line inside of the frame. All right. So once I've applied that tape, I'm just going to take my thumb and run it down the edge, because the edge is going to be the most important part where we seal it. Right, because we don't want any ink to slide underneath there. Once I've got that part down, I'm just going to continue to move on back until we have these squares down inside here. All right, inside the frame there. Now, instead of doing opposing sides, I'm just going to do one side, my top, and then the other side. And the reason being, because when we're done with the screen, it's going to be easy for us to take off the tape by pulling one side. That side is going to grab the other side and pull it off, and we're going to be completely done with it. Versus pulling one side, having to pull the other side, and potentially a fourth side. Right? So we'll be able to do this all in one motion. Just going to rotate around. Again, I'm going to start at the corner, my other corner, tear it off, and my target objective here is to cover this open area. All right, so I want to go onto my emulsion, covering up this open area because we don't want ink to get through there. All right, so I'm going to cover that up. Now, we've got some text on here. We do not want to cover that up either because we need to be able to see that. That's our base, has our order number on it, and some pertinent information. So once I get that on there, again, I'm going to use my thumb, rub it through here, creating a nice seal. Continue to work back. And then I'm going to do my other side. Again, starting top. Working to the bottom, giving a little bit of tension there, land it down, work that out, work it in, voila. So what we really want to achieve here is a nice solid seal around all of this area. Right? We want to make sure that all of this is sealed, because as it goes to print, it's going to push all that ink out. If we have open areas, it's going to go into there, it's going to print on the shirt, we're going to have defects. So that's how you tape a screen. Thanks, guys.